How does it feel? Yeah.
Feeling nice?
Circular movement until it becomes...
So that's the foam cleanser.
Yeah? Just still drop water.
And oh yeah, nice foam is coming, yeah. Nice foam.
I think it's good. And then you can wash with water. Yes?
Yes.
Sufficient. 1 to 2 times a week.
Okay.
So this is to exfoliate, removing your dead skin.
exfoliate, yeah.
Okay?
So is this okay for dry skin?
Yes.
For all types of skin.
So just put like a layer.
So this is exfoliation.
And
Exfoliating.
then after we put this layer, we wait for 5 minutes. Okay?
You have to use yeah, just layer it and wait for 5 minutes.
So you have to do
I never in circular motion. Upward stroke. You need to do.
Can you do like that?
How do you feel? Just put it on your whole skin. Probably you can just put one after another. It will absorb very quickly.
Sorry,
Okay?
what is that?
This is essence
Oh, essence.
Yes.
Okay, after toner.
for
Yeah.
elasticity. The essence.
Yeah, after toner essence. Yeah.
So this is essence for the inner elasticity. And then this is eye cream. Our eye cream is 40 ml. So really you can use on your whole face. Yeah, very generous amount. And the eye cream main function is wrinkle care, right? Yeah, so anywhere prone to wrinkle like forehead, our lines here, our neckline even you can apply.
Oh, we can apply here.
Yes.
Oh, this is just eye cream.
Eye cream, yeah, for wrinkle care.
Oh, lotion. Yeah,
So you can apply your whole skin and neck. To maybe show on your skin. Pure mask. So the purpose of this mask is to tighten our pores and also calm our skin as well. So we use the brush. Then we are going to put a layer. Then like this.
It in the, we put it in the green.
Peel from the bottom up. If it's completely dry, then one piece will come out actually. Some of the areas not.
yeah, most of it came out.
Oh, dry. We need to wait the dry.
Natural product, it will dissolve back to water.
How is it dissolved?
Yeah.
Oh.
Skincare. So now I'm going to show you the protection part where we use our primer as a protective layer, and then after that sunscreen and also BB cream. So why is it important to have primer? I'm just going to apply primer on this paper. You see the glowing part, that's the primer. And then after that, if I put BB cream on top of the primer or without the primer, it will be removed quite easily. So this is with the primer here. So when I remove, it's easier. But then the one without is much harder. So primer is very important protective layer, and this is called healthy glow base. So when you apply it gives you like a very natural glow. Okay, so I can give you some. You can apply, on your whole face. So this gives you glow.
So after mask,
Night
after
time is
removing
okay
mask,
in the morning.
Yeah, in the morning. Primer is the one we put normally before all the makeups. Yeah. Primer.
So you feel like glowing. After that, we can use our sunscreen and then BB cream together. So what we do is that we mix them. So I mix
Sunscreen
the
and BB cream.
so I have the sunscreen and the BB cream.
It's
like
enough
this.
for the face, eh?
Say again.
This is enough for
Right, and then mix together.
Alright, okay.
And then you can gently apply like a makeup foundation.
Okay.
Mirror here. How you want mirror?
So that's a BB cream and
Sunscreen.
sunscreen mix.
Yes. To give you good protective layer.
It really looks so nice, in
Yeah,
here,
yeah.
honestly. See? So feeling soft, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This one?